Hey guys, Cindy Utter here with Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty well. This is another deck of prompt cards, and I thought maybe I would go ahead and do some prompts today. So I'm not sure how many I'm gonna pick. Let's just start off. Here's number 1. Add glitter. 2. Collage with copies. I don't know if I have any copies. 3. Add pastel or gel crayon. I don't have the gel crayons anymore, I don't believe, or pastels. I might have some pastels. Let's see what else we got. 4. Add a punched or die cut image. 5. Gesso over part of our page. You know, I might have some. I'm going to look and see if I have any of these gel crayons. I don't know if I have copies, but I do have regular collage images, and I don't feel like making a copy. But let's see, one more. Punched out, die cut, glitter. Print with bubble wrap. I think I got some bubble wrap around here. We're going to do a pick 6 because I think we got enough. What do you think? All right, let's gather my supplies and we will get right to creating this page. God only knows what it's going to be, but we'll figure it out. All right, guys, I'll get my stuff together and I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, I have these distress crayons, which I'm going to use as a gel crayon, and I also have pastels here, which I might, boy, you had me digging in the archives in the closet there. I might use some of these at the end, but for right now I'm going to start out with adding pastel or gel crayon, and then I'm going to gesso over part of my page. Then I'm going to print with bubble wrap. I'm going to add collage. I'm going to add either a punched image or something punched or a die cut image. And then I'm going to add glitter. So let's see how this page turns out. I'm just going to intuitively basically go for it, and we'll chat at the end. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's what we did. Whoops, wrong one. Oh, I just put them backwards. Anyways, we started out by adding pastel or gel crayon. I actually used gel crayon. I decided not to use the pastels. I'm just not doing it today. Then what do we do? We gessoed over part of the page, which was pretty cool, and that's just basically where I put some of those colors toward the background. We did a print with bubble wrap, which is all my lovely circles here. I did a collage, but I didn't use copies. I just used the actual magazine page. Add a punched, which was the little stars for the wicks, and then added glitter. Can you guys see that? I hope so. I've got 3 different glitters here from Nouveau. Green Meadow Hexagons, Desert Sunset Stars, and Turquoise Stars. So you saw me put them on, I hope. I've noticed my recording was messed up here and there. But I put them on with some matte medium, and then I dried them real quick. So yeah, here they are. So this is our Pick 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 page. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll chat with you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.